Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Always Riding. I am Harry and I hope everyone is doing great because today is the special vlog. Everyone has been requesting me on Instagram and YouTube that when is the giveaway announcement gonna be. And finally we have achieved the 500 mark subscribers which I requested you guys to achieve so that we can announce the giveaway winners. Scrolling the comments, I also found few comments wherein people have been saying that this channel has very limited videos, so this video is fake or the giveaway is fake. So this video is for them. I would like to tell them that firstly, every channel starts from scratch, so no one can have 100 videos in one go, right? Secondly, I have to handle both my stores and all my social media accounts like Google, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube all on my own. I do not have any marketing guy or a staff to handle all these stuff, so I run pretty occupied, and that is why I have very limited time to make videos. I cannot shoot daily vlogs, so I try to make vlogs every now and then whenever I get time for you people. Guys, let's move on to the exciting part of the video, which is announcement of the giveaway winners. So how I've done it is that in total there were around 55 comments, and there were 6 products which I was supposed to give. So I've divided that by 6, which comes to around every 9th comment. As per the calculation of every 9th comment, I'll be announcing the usernames of the people who have commented on the giveaway video, right? One by one, along with the product they are entitled to, and the names and the products will also be visible on the screen, so you can read out the names there and the products you are entitled to. Accordingly, the people who are based in Delhi NCR should come to the store, visit our Arjangarh store to get the giveaway product, and people who are based outside Delhi NCR can get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I'll be shipping the products to them within 2 to 3 working days, right? So moving on to the winners now. The first winner is Shiv Lohia 1988, who is entitled to get a DSG pant. Congratulations, Shiv. The second winner is the username, I'm reading it out, which is Behind the Scenes 172, who is entitled to get a helmet which is large size, as they have mentioned the sizes also, which is Axis Draken series. Congratulations. The third winner is Sachin Kumar QS8PB, who is entitled to get a XL size helmet which is Axor Rage. Congratulations, bro. And moving on to the fourth winner is, his username is BNKD1987, who is entitled to get a M size helmet which is a Studs Drifter series. Congratulations. And the fifth winner is Aditya Singhania 5793, who is entitled to get a large size jacket which is Studs riding jacket. And the sixth winner basically is Pranay Bhagi 6354, who is entitled to get a double XL size jacket which is from XTS. So congratulations all the winners. This was our announcement of giveaway winners, and people who will be visiting our store will be posting a short video of all the 6 winners. People who are based in Delhi NCR, please send me a WhatsApp so that we can share the store location with you, wherein you can visit our store and collect the giveaways. People who are based out of Delhi NCR, please text me your details on WhatsApp so we can ship the products to you. And yes guys, stay tuned to our channel because another giveaway video will be coming soon. And if you keep on sharing our video, like the video, comment in the video, and also subscribe to our channel, you will keep getting new giveaways every now and then. So stay tuned. Till then, adios amigos. Signing off with Harry.